Hi, I'm Gwinnett County Commissioner Ben Ku, and I'm leaving my home in Gwinnett to go downtown, and I'm going to be taking MARTA. Directions to Doraville Station. I'm on Jimmy Carter, and that is going to be the site of the multimodal transit hub. It would be really amazing if I could park my car there and hop on to the Northeast line. Well, the problem is right now, if you want to get into the MARTA system, you have to go through all this traffic, you have to leave Gwinnett, and you have to get through Spaghetti Junction. But I hate dealing with parking downtown and paying for parking and all that, so it's much easier to pay the $2.50 to get onto the Doraville station. So we've got MARTA police here patrolling. MARTA is actually one of the safest transit systems in the entire nation. Just passing every single one of these cars here is from Gwinnett, so it would be great if we could get all these cars out of the Doraville station and up in Gwinnett off Jimmy Carter. Hey, I'm now on the train, relaxing and not sitting in traffic. I can be here responding to constituent emails. It's a much better use of my time. I just got to 5 Points Station, and I just have to walk through underground to get to my event. So that's how I use MARTA. How do you MARTA?